This is Daily Tech Now, where we cover breaking news in the tech industry every day. In today's news, the US government continues to extend their bans on some exports to China. Google confirms a data breach from their Google Fi program. Big tech companies like Microsoft, Nintendo, and Sony reveal that they will not attend E3 this year, and much more. The US government has stopped approving licenses for American companies to export most items to Huawei due to the continued tightening of rules on export of US technology to China. The move comes as the Biden administration aims to protect US national security and prevent sensitive technologies with military applications from falling into the hands of the Chinese military, intelligence, and security services. Huawei has faced US export restrictions for several years and was added to a US entity list in 2019, requiring US companies to obtain a license from the government to export certain technologies to Huawei. Some licenses have been granted, but the recent move marks a shift towards a total ban on sales of US technology to Huawei. Google's cell network provider, Google Fi, has confirmed a data breach due to suspicious activity on a third-party support system containing Google Fi customer data. The breach is likely linked to the recent security incident at T-Mobile. Hackers accessed limited Google Fi customer information, including phone numbers, account status, SIM card series number, and mobile service plan details, but did not access personal information, payment card data, or call text content. Google is working with the network provider to secure the data and identify those impacted. Some customers reported that their phone number was briefly hijacked by the hackers, but it's unclear how many Google Fi subscribers were affected by the breach. In other news, there are rumors that Microsoft, Nintendo, and Sony will not attend the revitalized E3 convention in Los Angeles in June, according to a report from IGN. E3 will be an in-person conference after not happening in 2022, and it was hoped that the big three console makers would participate. However, Sony first skipped E3 in 2019, and Nintendo has not felt the need to participate due to their successful direct video presentations. Reedpop, the organizer of E3, has not confirmed if the big three console makers will be absent, but is in discussion with the companies about their plans for the show. Microsoft, Nintendo, and Sony did not comment on their attendance. Finally, Instagram's co-founders have recently formed a venture called Artifact to explore ideas for next-generation social apps. Their first product is a personalized newsfeed that uses machine learning to understand the interest of users and allow them to discuss the articles they read with friends. Artifact is unique in that it is a TikTok for text, with users being able to tap on articles that interest them and receive similar posts and stories in the future. The Instagram co-founders have taken advantage of the Transformer, which Google developed in 2017, allowing for machine learning systems to understand language with far fewer inputs. As a result, Artifact has become the first app to offer personalized recommendations for news articles and blog posts. While advertising or revenue sharing deals with publishers are possible, the app will also focus on providing high-quality news and information by only featuring publishers who adhere to certain editorial standards and removing posts that promote falsehoods. Artifact is funded by the co-founders of Instagram themselves, with a 7-person team working on the app. They have shown a passion for technology and a willingness to make hard decisions in order to create products that people enjoy. Their enthusiasm for the potential of AI and the challenges of making it work are likely to make Artifact a success. This has been your Daily Tech News, and please subscribe and come back tomorrow for more.